In this video, I'm going to explain how Cash App Overdraft works and give you a complete overview of how this feature can help you avoid declined transactions and manage your money more effectively. Cash App Overdraft is a feature that allows certain transactions to go through even if your account doesn't have enough funds at the moment. I'll walk you through the requirements, how it functions, what limits are involved, and how it automatically manages your negative balance. First, to use Overdraft on Cash App, you must have the Cash App debit card. If you don't have one, you'll need to apply for it before you can access this feature. Once you have the card, open the Cash App on your phone, tap the card icon at the bottom of the home screen, and look for the Overdraft coverage option. This feature requires that you have direct deposit set up with Cash App. You need to receive at least $300 in paychecks each month to qualify for free overdraft coverage. Without direct deposit, you won't be able to activate this feature, so make sure that's set up first. Once overdraft coverage is activated, it allows transactions to go through even if your balance is insufficient, up to a limit of $50. For example, if your current balance is $20 and you make a purchase of $60, Cash App will cover the difference, approving the transaction and temporarily showing your account with a negative balance of $40. Your next direct deposit will automatically repay the negative balance, so you don't have to manually transfer funds to settle it. This makes it convenient for handling small emergencies or unexpected expenses without worrying about declined payments. It's important to note that if a transaction exceeds the $50 overdraft limit, Cash App will decline it. The feature is designed to help you with small amounts, giving you some flexibility while keeping your account safe and in good standing. Using Cash App Overdraft responsibly ensures that you can manage short-term cash flow issues without creating long-term debt or fees. By understanding how it works, you can make smarter financial decisions and avoid the frustration of declined payments. This is essentially how Cash App Overdraft works and how it manages your transactions. By following these steps and knowing the limits, you can make the most out of this feature and stay in control of your account.